And darlings, hi guys. Yo, my lips are itchy. Anyways, I'm about to leave. Yeah, you guys are gonna see where I'm gonna be going from here. I really don't have plans, but I know I have to go buy something, some grocery nyana, because I'm going home. So period. We just got done doing some certificates for educators and for learners because I'm the QTC officer here. So period. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's just 7 o'clock. Yeah. You got me looking at my watch every minute. Yeah. Because I'm waiting on you. I said I'm waiting on you. Make a move. So, yeah, y'all. I just got to the mall. I am about to go buy things, as I said, for my mom, and I'm also waiting for my brother because it's a lot. Kuningi, I'm not even sure if I'm parked well, but it's cool. Let's go buy some things and then we'll be back. Yeah. 7 o'clock in the morning. All I want you to do. So, hey guys, don't mind how messy I look, but I don't know, I rocketed myself in the morning because I couldn't sleep. I got my tooth removed and it's been pain after pain after pain after pain. Even currently I'm having this. This is what I'm currently eating and I am hungry. Okay, I am hungry. But anyways, it's fine. I just wanted to update you guys that I'm in so much pain. A lot of pain, and I'm developing pimples for some reason. I don't know why, I don't know who, I don't know what. But anyways, it's fine. Let me not speak a lot. We did end up getting hurt because the doctor that was operating me was rude and reckless and did not care. But it's fine. Let me stop rambling. So hey y'all, I just went to the hospital to ask for a letter because I was absent from work today. Yesterday I did go, but then today I was just in so much pain, so I couldn't go to work. So I'm with my aunt and my younger sister. They went shopping. I just decided to stay in the car because I can't with this pain. I've been drinking this. I've been drinking antibiotics at this point I'm just drinking everything and it doesn't seem like anything is working, but it's fine, it's okay. I think we're gonna go home. I have to first fill up my car because we're going home, so I gotta fill it up and then period.
You got your eyes, got your drippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one at a time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know, when you got this.
Hey guys, we are going to get my car washed. Yeah, period. So that is that. My hair is itchy, so mura ka ba? Hey guys, hi. Hi guys, I am feeling so much better. Like, I feel great. I am very much, maybe like 10% left for me to heal, because you know what's funny, I'll be feeling okay, like I'm feeling okay now because I took some pills, and then I'll be like, we're finally healing, and then boom, comes night, we go back. But it's fine, I'm trusting God. I believe there's a reason why I'm going through all of this to a certain extent, because I've been praying to say, God, please help me with this pain, blah 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 blah. But it's fine, it's okay. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys that I'm about to pour myself some JC, because I haven't been able to drink anything that is acidic. And you know, when you're not feeling good, nothing seems to be working in your life, you just like, excuse me, you don't have the joy of doing anything. It's fine. I'm from work, pretty great, it was amazing. Tomorrow I'm not going to work, so this is the part before the part that I'm gonna conclude with. Tomorrow I'm probably going to spring clean or something, I'm not sure, but this is me attempting to do an outro because I never do those. Thank you so much if you have chosen to join the channel by subscribing. I really appreciate it. Literally, this is how I smile each time I see a comment that I'm a new Sabi and all of that. So if you subscribe, please don't make a mistake of not commenting. I want to welcome you personally. Anyways, we've been speaking for a while, and whenever I speak for a while, this place gets angered. Anyways, let me pop some JC, even though it's so hard, but let me pop it open, and then we're gonna be chilling and relaxing, and all of the above.
this one I bet you will ja bada. Me I no get time, I did da bada. Dada cover my face, calling me da bada. Big man wait to be bada. What's it coming? G-Wagon, all depends. They get them, ride the whip. I know people die for nothing. What's it coming? G-Wagon, all depends. They get them, ride the whip. I know people die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commendate. I can't come and see myself. So anything when you do, I dey try to do I'm plenty survive with the face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Give me them. What's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. They get them, ride the whip. I know people die for nothing. What's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. They get them, ride the whip. I know people. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Jarashina fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trains. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Look I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shop, now be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No.